A young South African man convicted of slaying his wealthy parent and brother and maiming his sister in a frenzied axe attack was handed 3 life sentence on Thursday. Judge Siraj Desai described 23-year-old Henry Van Breda's January 2015 rampage a savage and vicious with an almost unprecedented degree of disregard for one's family. Each murder or attack on a family member is a severe crime and warrants the severest punishment, Desai told the Pact Western Cape High Court in Cape after the headline-making trial. Van Breda, who wore a light grey suit, blue shirt and a patterned tie, was also jailed for 15 years for the attempted murder of his sister. After a trial that had taken 20 to understand the motive for the bloodbath, Van Breda remained emotionless as the sentence was handed down. AFP, Roger Bosch. Van Breda was led out of court after sentencing was concluded on Thursday. He was then led away by court officers as his girlfriend watched from the public gallery. He had denied murdering his 21-year-old brother Rudy and parents Martin, 54, and Teresa, 55, and leaving his sister Marley struggling with near fatal injury to her head, neck and throat after the bloody attack. Axe wielding son, they were attacks involving a high degree of uncontrolled violence. The victims were unarmed, and they faced an axe wielding son or brother, probably not expecting the worst, said Desai. We have heard no explanation, you have shown no remorse. The trial generated global interest in how a privileged son unleashed such a brutal attack on his family, whose fortune, estimated at $16 million, €13.6 million, was derived from property. The family had moved to Australia many years ago before returning to South Africa in 2014. Van Breda was convicted of 3 counts of murder, 1 of attempted murder and 1 of obstructing justice on May 21, with the judge describing the verdict inescapable. Defense lawyer Peter Botha had called for a merciful sentencing, arguing that Van Breda was a first-time offender who was barely 20 when he killed his family. Sheer seriousness of the crime, said Van Breda had been in counseling for 6 months, was appropriately emotional when the murders were mentioned, and was taking medication for depression and epilepsy. Since his conviction, Van Breda has been held in the medical wing of South Africa's notoriously violent Pollsmoor prison. During the trial, Van Breda had told the court that a late-night intruder had entered the family's luxury residence on the ultra-secured Zales Golf Estate in Stellenbosch outside Cape Town. His claim had the cause of the defense USD by Oscar Pistorius, who said thought a burglar was hiding in an ensuite bathroom to explain why he fired 4 times through the door, killing his girlfriend Riva Steenkamp. But Judge Desai systematically took apart the defense case in a 5-hour summary of the trial, and then read a verdict that said, a family man, it's difficult to deliver. Van Breda himself suffered superficial stab wounds which he said were caused while wrestling with the attacker who was trying to slit his throat. He said he then fell unconscious. Prosecutor insisted the wounds were self-inflicted and Desai said the axe USD in the attack was kept in the house prior to the killings. Van Breda's motive has remained a mystery, and Judge Desai pleaded with his defense team to share the true story. I'm searching for some human factors that to some degree diminishes the sheer seriousness of the crime, said Judge Desai at hearing on Tuesday.